Hi, my name is Emily Wells. I am from the class of 2019. I am a product engineer at Magnus Seating, and I am also a mentor and coach on the Marian and Brother Rice Robotics team.
So my name is Lisa Perez Savage. I graduated from Marian in 2005, and I am currently the principal technical lead for safety of AI and safety of the intended functionality for our advanced driver assistance systems at Aptiv.
When I started at Marian, I remember my mom showed me a flyer for the robotics team, and that, they were looking for new members, and didn't really necessarily have an idea of what I would be doing, but I went to the first meeting that fall, and it's been kind of history from there. I would say what moved me to coach was the fact that robotics did so much for me that I almost felt a sense of duty to give back and to ensure that the kids, after me have the same kind of feeling towards it.
So I was actually part of the inaugural co-ed robotics team here at Marian and also Rice. So that very first year, that was my sophomore year, one of my friends at Rice had invited me over to check out what the robotics team was about. Robotics was really my first insight into engineering. And that very first day that I was there, I knew that was the path that I wanted to take. Getting the chance to make parts, see those parts become part of a bigger robot, being able to see that robot actually come to life, that sparked such a joy in me that I knew that engineering was the path for me.
Hi, my name is Allie Bailey. I am a part of the Marian Rice Robotics team, Team 573. So it was when I was really little, I think I was either in 3rd or 4th grade, and I remember that no one around me really had the answers to the questions that I was asking, which really sparked an interest specifically in space, and an interest that is carried through to today, where now I really want to go into aerospace engineering and just really pursue a STEM career so that my future kids or anyone other kids that I ever talk to in the future, they know that they have someone who can answer their questions.
I almost consider it a sport in its own way because the kids do so much. I mean, we not only build a robot, but we do marketing for our team. And again, like I said, we do outreach for the community around our team, things that have allowed us to win awards and get great recognition, but most importantly, affect the community in a way that I think kind of leaves a lasting legacy.
So the great thing about the robotics team is that you can enter the robotics team without having any prior experience. I had 0 experience when I joined as a student, and I was able to gain that experience over time because I had great mentors, because I had great fellow students who were willing to teach me.
It could definitely be intimidating, I will not lie. It's a hard profession to pursue, but I would say you kind of have to make it your own. And just remember that everyone else is on the same journey. We're all trying to make something of ourselves. And so I just say, give yourself grace to be able to navigate, and don't, necessarily beat yourself up if you fall or stumble a bit.
I would say to just jump headfirst right into it. When I came to high school, I knew nothing about robotics, and so I joined my freshman year with 0 knowledge, and then by the beginning of my sophomore year, I was elected to be the electrical lead as well as the operator on our drive team. So it's really just, I promise that if you just jump in and you try it, the worst that's going to happen is you find out that you're not as interested as you thought you were. It's really something that's worth the risk.